The My Renault app includes two very useful services you will quickly find indispensable: Send Destination to Car and Last Mile Navigation. To use these services, you first need to synchronize the My Renault app with your vehicle. Done? Then just go to the My Renault app on your smartphone. Let's find out what these services can do for you. First, Send Destination to Car means that while you're comfortably curled up on your sofa, you can start preparing your journey by selecting a destination or point of interest on your My Renault app. You can then send it to the multimedia system in your vehicle. When you're ready to set off, the destination will be locked and loaded. The second service, Last Mile Navigation, makes your life easier by covering the last few yards of your journey. While your vehicle can guide you to your chosen destination, you won't necessarily be able to find a nearby parking space. My Renault will log your final destination and guide you on foot until you reach it. That's the way to use Send Destination to Car and Last Mile Navigation, smart navigation services to make your life easier. Have a great journey.